Hey folks, welcome to Peepaw's Shop. I got a product here today from Build Core. It's for your ladder, and it's for securing your ladder across the top. So let's see what's in the box. Let's do a little unboxing to see what we get. It comes in a thick box, good and dirty, and that's because it's heavy. Hey, it's got a set of pictured instructions on it, and what's in the package on the other side. So that's the contents that we want to see for real here. All right, so there's your hardware, you know, packaged up and sealed for you, not gonna get lost in the box. So what we got? It's orange. I like orange sometimes. There's nothing wrong with that. So we got that part. You got two arms. At least you know the two that's going to go around like that on your ladder. A couple of brackets to brace that with, and a frame. Okay. Now, that's what's in the box. If that answers your questions for what's in the box, you got one piece there. You got the two arms to go around it, and you got a couple of brackets here and here. And you got a bag of hardware, and you got a set of instructions for putting it together. So now we understand what's in the box. Maybe that answers some of your questions. I hope it does.